Today we'll be discussing the PowerStop series offered by PowerRamp. The PowerStop Mechanical is an economic solution for your shipping and receiving operation that brings value and enhances safety at your loading dock area. The PowerStop Mechanical is a self-aligning, non-impact, mechanically operated vehicle restraint. An additional light package can be added to the MML or MAL, which can also be upgraded to our iDock controller, as you see here. The PowerStop series can withstand 32,000 pounds of pull-out force, has a horizontal service range of 0 to 10 inches, and a vertical service range of 12 inches to 29.5 inches. The PowerStop MAL comes standard with our rig sensor bar that notifies dock workers if there was an unsuccessful capture of the trailer's ICC bumper. The PowerStop series comes standard with a low-profile, non-impact design, corrosion-resistant, zinc-plated finish, as well as a debris guard. In order to operate the unit, once the trailer is backed up against the bumpers, the dock worker is going to grab the operating wand, insert it underneath the lever, lift up, which activates the restraint and engages the ICC bumper. In order to store the leveler, the dock attendant is going to slide the operating wand into the slide track and push down until the lever locks back into place. Here we have the PowerStop AAL, the PowerStop Automatic. Same rules apply as to the mechanical. 32,000 pounds of pull-out force, vertical service range of 12 to 29.5 inches, and a horizontal service range of 0 to 10 inches. The only thing different about this unit is the way it operates. It's a standard push-button activation. Once the trailer backs into place, tight against the bumpers, the dock attendant simply pushes the engage button to operate the restraint, which engages the ICC bumper. Once the loading and unloading is finished, the dock attendant stores the leveler and then can disengage the restraint by pressing the disengage button. The reason why somebody would want the automatic versus a mechanical is simply for the safety features of having to interlock with either an air-powered or hydraulic dock leveler, meaning the restraint has to be engaged before the leveler can operate, or the leveler has to be stored before the restraint can disengage. If there's an unsuccessful capture where the truck is either bouncing around or the restraint somewhat disengages from the ICC bumper, there's a feature where it will auto refire and recapture that ICC bumper. If the restraint is engaged and there is no ICC bumper to capture, the unit will auto store itself back to the stored position. The control box and the exterior lights will throw a fault and show a red and amber caution light, which then means you have to put the restraint into bypass mode to operate the leveler. Depending on the application, we offer various hook profile differences, an optional 10-inch and a standard 12-inch. Also, the restraint either can be ground mounted or wall mounted depending on the application. The PowerStop Automatic can be integrated with any type of leveler, mechanical, air-powered, or hydraulic. If paired with a VH or a PR hydraulic dock leveler, the PowerStop Automatic can run off the power pack from the leveler. Otherwise, it can come as a self-contained unit that can be remotely mounted. The PowerStop series comes in 5 different versions. The PowerStop Mechanical as a standalone unit, PowerStop Mechanical with a manual light package, and mechanical restraint with an automatic light package. Then there's the PowerStop Automatic that comes with a self-contained unit or can be combined with a hydraulic leveler's pump and motor. For more information, feel free to reach out to your PowerRamp Regional or visit us at www.powerramp.com.